The unlikely partnership between Elon Musk and Donald Trump has set the tech world on fire, with the potential to revolutionize transportation and space exploration, or go down in flames. In a move that shocked the world, Elon Musk and Donald Trump have announced a partnership that promises to change the game for two of the most innovative and disruptive companies in existence: Tesla and SpaceX. As two of the most polarizing figures in modern history, the announcement has sent shockwaves through the tech industry and beyond. For years, Musk and Trump have been at odds, with Musk openly criticizing Trump's politics and rhetoric on everything from climate change to the handling of the COVID-19 pandemic. But now, it seems they've found common ground in their shared ambition to push the boundaries of technology and innovation. What will be the implications of this partnership for Tesla and SpaceX? Can this collaboration revolutionize the transportation and space exploration industries? Will the involvement of a figure as controversial as Donald Trump affect the reputations of Tesla and SpaceX? Let's find out in today's video. The relationship between Elon Musk and Donald Trump has been complex and tumultuous, marked by both criticism and support. Despite Musk's mutual support for Trump's presidency, the two have had their fair share of public disagreements over the years. However, their recent partnership has surprised many and has the potential to impact the future of tech and space. Elon Musk has been a vocal critic of Donald Trump's policies on several issues, including climate change, immigration, and technology. Musk's criticism of Trump has been particularly notable given his initial support for the former president's candidacy, and his willingness to work with him on certain issues. One of the main areas of disagreement between Musk and Trump has been climate change. Musk has been a strong advocate for renewable energy and sustainable transportation, and has publicly criticized Trump's decision to withdraw from the Paris Climate Agreement. Musk has argued that climate change is one of the most pressing issues facing the planet, and that it's critical for governments and businesses to work together to address it. He's also criticized Trump's policies on environmental regulation, calling them short-sighted and not good for the future of the planet. Musk has also been critical of Trump's policies on immigration, particularly his efforts to restrict immigration from certain countries. Musk himself is an immigrant, having moved to the United States from South Africa in the 1990s, and has been an advocate for immigration reform. In 2017, he joined other tech leaders in condemning Trump's travel ban on people from several predominantly Muslim countries, calling it not the best way to address countries' challenges. He also criticized Trump's approach to technology policy, particularly his administration's handling of the COVID-19 pandemic. Musk has been vocal in his support for increased testing and contact tracing as a way to control the spread of the virus, and has criticized the government's slow response. He's also criticized the FDA for what he sees as overly restrictive regulations on COVID-19 treatments and vaccines, arguing that they're slowing down the pace of innovation. Despite these criticisms, Musk also expressed a willingness to work with Trump administration on issues where they have common ground. In 2018, he met with the president to discuss space policy and the future of the American space program. And in 2020, he offered to donate ventilators to hospitals in response to the COVID-19 pandemic. In 2016, Elon Musk was one of the few tech leaders who initially expressed support for Donald Trump's presidential campaign. However, as Trump's policies and behaviors became more controversial, Musk's relationship with the president grew strained. Despite this, in 2020, Musk and Trump appear to have reached a new level of cooperation, with the two men collaborating on a number of initiatives related to space exploration and electric vehicles. One of the most significant areas of cooperation between Musk and Trump has been space policy. In 2018, Musk met with the president to discuss the future of the American space program and the role of private companies like SpaceX in advancing space exploration. Trump has been a vocal supporter of NASA and has pushed for increased funding for the agency, but it's also expressed a desire to see more private sector involvement in space exploration. Musk, who founded SpaceX with the goal of making space travel more accessible and affordable, has been a natural partner in this effort. In August 2020, SpaceX successfully completed its first manned mission to the International Space Station, marking a major milestone in the company's efforts to commercialize space travel. The mission, which was carried out in partnership with NASA, demonstrated SpaceX's ability to transport astronauts to and from space safely and efficiently. Trump was quick to praise the mission and congratulated Musk and his team on their success. Another area of cooperation between Musk and Trump has been the development of electric vehicles. Despite their political differences, both men have been strong advocates for the transition to renewable energy and the reduction of greenhouse gas emissions. Musk's company, Tesla, is at the forefront of the electric vehicle industry and has been credited with driving down the cost of EVs and increasing their popularity among consumers. In 2020, Trump signed an executive order aimed at promoting the use of American-made products, including electric vehicles. The order was seen as a potential boon for Tesla, which manufactures most of its vehicles in the United States. Musk praised the order, calling it a step in the right direction for the EV industry. However, Musk's relationship with Trump has not always been smooth. In the wake of the 2017 Unite the Right rally in Charlottesville, Virginia, which was marked by violence and racism, Musk resigned from 2 of Trump's advisory councils in protest. He tweeted that he didn't agree with the president's response to the events in Charlottesville and that leaving Paris is not good for America or the world. In addition to his public criticism of Trump's policies, Musk has also faced criticism for his willingness to work with the president. Some of his fans and supporters have accused him of betraying his principles and pandering to a politician who's been accused of racism, sexism, and corruption. Musk has responded to these criticisms by arguing that he's willing to work with anyone who shares his goals of advancing sustainable transportation and space exploration. Despite these criticisms, the partnership between Musk and Trump has continued to evolve in recent years. In addition to their collaborations on space policy and electric vehicles, the two men have also worked together on other initiatives related to innovation and entrepreneurship. For example, in 2019, Trump appointed Musk to the President's Council of Advisors on Science and Technology, a group of experts who advise the president on scientific and technological issues. Another point of contention between Elon Musk and Donald Trump came in January 2021 following the storming of the United States Capitol building by a mob of Trump supporters. The incident, which led to several deaths and widespread condemnation, resulted in Trump's social media accounts being suspended, including his Twitter account. Musk, who's been an active Twitter user with over 128 million followers, commented on the situation by calling the move to ban Trump from the platform a bit much. He also expressed concern about the power of social media companies to control public disclosure, arguing that it could have negative consequences for free speech and democracy. However, Musk's comments were met with criticism from some of his followers, who accused him of defending Trump's actions and minimizing the severity of the attack on the Capitol. Musk later clarified his comments, stating that he did not support the violent actions of the protesters and that he believed in the importance of democracy and the rule of law. The incident highlighted the complicated relationship between Musk and Trump, which has been marked by both cooperation and criticism. While Musk has been willing to work with the president on initiatives related to space exploration and electric vehicles, he's also been vocal about his disagreements with Trump's policies and behavior. The Twitter ban of Trump further underscored the challenges of navigating the intersection of technology and politics in the digital age. Since the end of Trump's presidency, Elon Musk's relationship with the new president, Joe Biden, has been markedly different. While Musk was willing to work with Trump on certain initiatives related to space exploration and electric vehicles, he's been more cautious in his engagement with the Biden administration. One possible reason for this shift is that Musk's priorities have evolved. In recent years, he's become increasingly focused on building a sustainable future through the development of electric vehicles and renewable energy. Biden, who's made climate change a top priority, has been more receptive to Musk's vision and has taken steps to support the transition to a clean energy economy. One area where Musk and Biden have found common ground is infrastructure. Biden's proposed infrastructure plan includes significant investments in clean energy, electric vehicle charging infrastructure, and other initiatives that align with Musk's priorities. In fact, Musk has publicly expressed support for the plan, which he believes could accelerate the adoption of electric vehicles and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. However, despite their shared interests, Musk has been more cautious in his engagement with the Biden administration compared to his previous interactions with Trump. One reason for this may be that Biden has been more critical of some of Musk's business practices, particularly in the area of labor relations. For example, the Biden administration has been more vocal about the need for companies like Tesla to improve working conditions for their employees and to address concerns about pay and benefits. One area where Musk and Biden have clashed is around the issue of unionization. Musk has been critical of unions in the past, arguing that they're outdated and hinder innovation. However, this stance has put him at odds with Biden, who's been a vocal supporter of workers' rights and has advocated for stronger labor protections. In conclusion, Elon Musk's relationship with Donald Trump and Joe Biden has been a complex and multifaceted situation. While Musk was willing to work with Trump on certain initiatives related to space exploration and electric vehicles, his criticisms of Trump's policies and behavior was also well documented. As Musk continues to push the boundaries of technology and entrepreneurship, his relationship with political leaders will likely continue to evolve and adapt to changing circumstances. That pretty much wraps this video up, guys. Thanks so much for watching. What are your thoughts about this unique partnership between Elon Musk and Donald Trump? Share with us in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe to this channel with a bell notification if you enjoy watching our content. We upload a lot of awesome stuff here which you'll definitely enjoy, so hit a like on this video and leave a comment below. See you guys in the next one.